guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. I would love it if you'd all subscribe. Today I created this purple pink with a little pop of orange on the inner corner, kind of cut crease smoky eye look today. If you guys want to see how I got the look, you know what to do. Just keep watching and we'll see how this goes. So today I just kind of wanted to do a little get ready with me. As usual, I'm going to work after this, so I'm just going to hop right in, starting with my James Charles palette. I've already got my brows on and kind of set my lids. So I'm just going to start off with a big blending brush. This is Morphe M441, and I'm going to grab my James Charles palette, and I'm just going to start with this shade down here. Take the blending brush, and I'm going to start, I'm just slowly kind of blending out the edges here. You can kind of see where I focused the majority of the color, which is just right there. And then I just I always do like a winged out shape with my shadow, so I'm just going to kind of drag it out towards the tail of my brow. I fixed the light, so hopefully it doesn't fall down again. As I'm blending this out, I'm just using very tiny little circular motions and mixing that along with these windshield wiper motions like that, just so I can really get a nice blended out look. I just finished kind of blending out that first layer of purple, and then I'm just going to kind of deepen up a little bit more with that same purple. Focusing it on the outer corner, since I just decided that the inner half of my lids, I'm going to do a cut crease and it's going to be pink. Blending my shadow kind of higher towards the inner half of my eye, since we're going to be cutting the crease and covering that anyway. I still want that purple to shine through. This is my fave small blending brush, but I'm just going to go in with a smaller one, and I'm going to go into the darker purple, so that one. Okay, now blending that out again with that same lighter purple, but I think the purple's looking okay, so I'm just going to cut my crease now and see how it goes, and then, you know, add on as we need. So I'm using my Too Faced, it's literally rubbed off, but this is my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow, and I'm just going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm just going to speed this up because I don't think I'm going to be able to do this and talk. So now for our lid, I'm going to take just another flat, this is like a little bit fluffier, it's kind of just a dome shaped brush, if you can kind of see that there. It's just shaped like this. And I'm going to go into this bright pink down here, and I'm just going to pack it all over my lid. So now that I've just got that pink on, I'm going to go back in with, I'm just going to mix the two purples together, and I'm just going to soften up the edges over here, kind of blend it out, and also give it some more depth. Okay, so we're going to take a break from the eyes and just move on to the face for a bit. So I'm going to start with my primer. I'm taking the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. This one is vitamin C and banana powder. Whatever. It brightens. I like it because it almost gives my skin like a pearlescent finish, like when I rub it in. So I'm just gonna, you know, rub it in. Pat it in with my fingers like this, so my skin absorbs it. And then for foundation today, I'm going to mix my It Cosmetics CC cream with MAC Strobe Cream. This one's in the shade Gold Light. So I just like to do this because it'll sheer it out a bit. So I just start with my strobe cream. And I'll just, this one's almost empty. So I just put a little bit of strobe cream like that on the back of my hand because I'm too lazy to buy mixing palette things. So then I'll just go in with my CC cream, like 1.5 pumps. That's probably too much, but whatever. I love to waste product. Then taking my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it out. All right, concealer time. Mixing my faves, the NARS Radiant Creamy and First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. Yeah, you know, just my faves. This bitch is almost empty. So now I'm just gonna set everything that I need to with my little baby Fenty Beauty powder. Mine's in the shade Butter. My skin is just so dry that when I do use powders, aside from like maybe 1 or 2, they all make me look so cakey and so dry. And I haven't really been able to tell yet if this Fenty powder does that to me. It's done it like maybe once or twice, but then I also have days where I don't look as dry and then it's like it looks fine. So yeah, I don't know if I like this powder, guys. This is my newest discovery that I have been loving lately. This is the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Face Powder. It's like a finishing powder. Mine's in the shade 15. This powder makes your skin look so smooth. So what I do is I take it with my beauty blender and I'll just run it over any areas where I have pores. Yeah, I know. Me wearing this much powder, crazy. I'm gonna do my lower lash line now. Take that little smaller blending brush and just, you know, take off what I can. And I'm gonna go into that darker purple and run that on the outer half of my under eye. I kind of want to drag it like past my brow. Like really have it blown out. Yeah, like that. Now I'll just take some of the pink on that same brush we used for the pink. It's not meant for blending or anything, but you know what, I don't care. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it like that. Okay, now for an exciting part, I'm gonna do my inner corner. And I've decided I want to make it orange. So I'm gonna go into this shade up here and just pack it on the inner corner. So now I'm gonna just cream bronze using my Milk Makeup bronzer again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna go in and start to bronze with my Marc Jacobs bronzer. Anyway, yeah, Marc Jacobs bronzer. Highlight time using my Amrezy highlight. Something that is different, I got a new brush. So this one is Sephora Collection highlight brush. It was on sale this week for $7.50, so you know I had to grab it. Lips are gonna be really simple, again, like they always are. I'm gonna use my Dior, this is like a lip stain. The color is 442, and I'm just gonna dot this just in the center of my lips and then pat it out with my finger. Literally, that much. Just like that. Then I'm gonna grab the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. She's almost empty. Boom. And there we are. This brings me to the end of today's video. This is our final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see. I really have to leave now, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!